Today, I'm going to talk about how to earn $10 per day in rapid workers.
Okay, let's go to the video.
We are going to work in rapid workers, so we have to get some knowledge about this site. So we are going to see pre-analyzed charts. I'm talking here only things that we needed. First of all, you can see site name, global rank, country rank, traffic and engagement, geography and country targeting, audience demographics and many more these things. Most Brazil people came to this site. India and Sri Lankans also to find some dollars. If you need these pre-analyzed charts, link in the description. Let's see how to register in rapid workers. In rapid workers there is no referral system, so you have to just type in your browser and go to first search result. Click sign up now. In name box type your name. In email box type your daily used mail. In password box type strong password. Choose your country to IP address. Click I'm not robot and complete it. Read 4 of these rules. Put mark to I agree to theses above and have read the terms. Click create my account. Then after that verify your mail. Now log into your account. After you logged to your account, it looks like this. In here you have to know few requirements. You need to know how to filter tasks, basic English knowledge and some internet skills. I will guide you how to filter tasks correctly. How to complete a task. First, let's see how to filter tasks correctly. Click target workers and choose international or your country. That is the most important part. Don't use VPN to complete other country tasks, that will ban your rapid workers account. Click payment and choose what payment do you want to work, but I recommended you to not change that. Payment getting high means works is hard. Click time, it's also as the payment. High time means task is hard, also recommended to don't change it. Other most important thing is done. Done means remaining competes, don't try to complete. Done rate is close to end of compete. Task I finished dab. It have task that you already finished. My champagne's dab. We came here to work so it doesn't matter. My account dab. There are contract details, newsletter, change password. Also deposit tab is not for us. Withdraw tab you can get payout for your work to PayPal. To request withdraw you need to collect $8. I will tell you next time how we request a withdrawal. That's all. Let's see how to complete a task successfully. First filter task and click one of them. Now read the task description. Also read the what proofs they need to confirm your task and send money. Now do as they say, and put proofs that they asked from you. I'm not telling letter by letter how to do it, you have to figure out by yourself, because tasks are different from one another. I'm going to fast forward and put proofs in empty box. Don't put fake proofs at any chance, or don't use VPN. Don't put same proofs in same tasks, don't get unsatisfied from advertisers. After you submitted the proof, they will check them and, after checked, they will send money to your account. That's all for this video. I will see you next video.